Hello there, in this video we are going to discuss about the color blue. The color blue, as you know, is the color of trust, loyalty and honesty. You can see why many companies have logos of blue color, because they know this attribute. Subconsciously it communicates with us that this is something that can be trust, like you are thinking right now when I'm wearing this blue. Some of the positive trait is loyalty, trust, integrity, reliable and responsible. While some of the negative traits are being rigid, being superstitious, being fragile and predictable. So these are some positive traits and negative traits, and you have to make sure you figure out what's more happening in your life and replace your wardrobe or your life with more blue or less blue. So for example, if you think you are too predictable, maybe it's time to remove that blue from your schedule. If you want to be responsible, if you want to be trustworthy, maybe it's time to incorporate more blue into your schedule. Blue is also color of discipline. If you want to become disciplined, wear blue. And also blue is a color of peace. So if you're sitting down to meditate, maybe wear a blue cloth. Maybe you are looking for some peace of mind in your mind. You need that blue. And blue is associated with element of water, so it relaxes the system. So amazing color, again an amazing color to sleep with. Something to remember is people who dislike blue, if you're someone who dislike blue, most probably you don't like routine, okay? You're not disciplined and you like to have that unpredictability about yourself. On the other hand, people who really like blue are much more predictable. They prefer predictability and they would like to plan the events to utmost detail before executing it. Okay, if you are someone who likes to over plan things, maybe it's time to remove blue from your schedule. Try any other color, okay? Try any other color to include into your wardrobe. Of course, I was lazy enough to wear this towel, which maybe is not looking good, but I wanted to record this for you guys as soon as possible. So I hope you learned something from this video. If you did, please like this video, subscribe to my channel on YouTube, Yoga Mind Mastery and Veer Confidence, and I'll see you in the next video.